Hello children. Hope all of you watched the yesterday video. There we started to discuss about the simultaneous equations, and we discussed one example there that where you had the same sign of the coefficient of the eliminating variable. So today I'm planning to take another example where you get, wait, I will write it first of all, that the 4x minus y equal to 10, and the next equation x minus y equal to 1. Can you remember, children, what I asked you to do, that when you have the simultaneous equations like this, the very first thing you want to do, you number the equations like this, right? You number the equations. After numbering the equations, then I ask you to write the coefficient of each variable. Here you have x and y, and you write, you have the 4 and 1. The other one, you have 1, that the -1 and -1. Now that when you are looking at the coefficient of each variable, that easily you can decide this as the eliminating variable. Then I told you, after deciding the eliminating variable, you want to see the sign of the coefficient of the eliminating variable. Here you have the same sign, right? Here we have the same sign, negative and negative. Can you remember yesterday example that you had positive 1y, positive 1y. Now today we have negative 1y, negative 1y. So when you have the same sign, can you remember what I asked you to do? So select the subtraction or go for the subtraction. And that here that you don't want to do the same thing always, that the 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1, you can do any way. That here today I'm selecting that the 1 minus 2. That means the equation 2 is deducting from equation 1. Why I'm doing like that? When I'm looking at the values of equation 1, I can see those values are higher than the equation 2. Therefore, I select equation 1 first. Then I subtract the equation 2 from that. How I'm going to write this, children? 4x minus y, subtract, and x minus y. I told you that when you are writing the second equation, always write the second equation component inside the bracket. And here that you have 10 minus 1. So then you want to solve the bracket for x minus y, and this become negative x. Then the negative times positive negative y, it becomes positive y equal to 9. Okay. Thereafter, that how you can do this, that the negative y and positive y you can cancel. 4x minus x, it is 3x. 3x equal to 9 and x is equal to 9 divided by 3 and x is equal to 3. Now when you know the x value, what you do? You substitute this value, that x is equal to 3, and you consider the equation, let's say here 2, I take 2 this time, right? Again, that no hard and fast rule that either you are going to substitute the x value to equation 1 or 2. You can select any one. That here I selected the second one. Then here that the x minus y equal to 1. So then the x minus 1 equal to y. Then I can write that the y equal to x minus 1, and the x is 3, 3 minus 1, then y is equal to 2. Okay, so then you want to conclude your answer. How? That you write there for the x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Right? So this is how you want to solve the simultaneous equations and find the unknown values. that if you find the same sign of the coefficient of the eliminating variable. Okay, then tomorrow we will discuss that how we can solve the simultaneous equations when you have the different signs of the coefficient of the eliminating variable. Okay, keep in touch, children, that by any chance, if you missed the yesterday's video, you can watch that and then you come to the day 2 simultaneous equation video. Take care.